Nobody teaches you this, but your 20s aren't about getting everything right. They're about falling, failing, and learning who you are when no one's watching. Here are the life lessons you must learn before 30. Lesson 1. People. You'll lose people you thought would stay forever. And that's okay. Not everyone is meant to grow with you. Lesson 2. Purpose. You'll chase things that look like success, money, validation, attention, until you realize peace was all you ever wanted. Lesson 3. Growth. Growth doesn't feel like winning. It feels like being lost, scared, and rebuilding yourself from the inside out. Lesson 4. Time. Before 30, you learn that time is your real currency, and wasting it on people or things that drain you is the most expensive mistake you'll ever make. Lesson 5. Self-worth. You'll realize your worth was never meant to be measured by others, because confidence isn't built by being liked, it's built by choosing yourself, over and over again. You won't have it all figured out, and that's the point. Life isn't a race to be perfect. It's a journey to be real and to grow through what you go through. If this spoke to you, don't let it end here. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep becoming who you're meant to be. Subscribe to The Growth Theory, where we turn life's lessons into fuel for your growth.